What up, y'all? Hip Hop MD here. So many of y'all out there have been asking, what is up with this NASA Broomstick challenge? Is this real? Now, I would have done this experiment at home, but unfortunately, I have no brooms at home. I have a lot of vacuum cleaners, but no brooms. So fortunately, there's a Big Lots right here. So I'm gonna put this myth or potential myth buster to the test. And as you can see here, this is what we have. A broom standing in perfect alignment. Now, is this due to the vernal equinox or to the perfect polarity of the Earth at this very moment on this very date?
What's up, man? This is Science for Black Folk. Today, NASA said that the polarity in the Earth can keep a broom standing by itself. Let's try this. This is real.
Sorry to burst your bubble, y'all. That has nothing to do with Earth's polarity or the vernal equinox. That has everything to do with science. In fact, center of gravity. As you can see, the broom center of gravity is somewhere approximately right here, making the center of gravity closer to the bottom, allowing this broom to be perfectly in alignment. Now, does this only happen today? Nope. You could do this tomorrow. You could do this the day after tomorrow. You could do this a year from now. You could always make a broom stand up, and it has everything to do with the center of gravity and nothing to do with Earth's polarity. So unfortunately, this one, y'all, myth busted. Holler.